Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off FaceTime Content Previews on the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, go down and tap on Notifications. Next, go down and tap on FaceTime in the notification style. After that, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Show Previews. Next, to turn on Show Previews, you would select Always or when your phone is unlocked. To turn off the content preview on the lock screen, you can choose Never. That will switch it off. And that's it. Select one of the options and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.